Yo, what's poppin', my goons? We back. Oh yeah, right back to that credit game for the goons. You know who, you know what it do. The one and only Spontaneous Productions, Part 2. We back live in effect, live and direct. We live. Let's connect. And y'all need all my goons worldwide to hop in to that game of credit like we always do. Get on that thing and do me a solid smash on the like and subscribe button right now. You can blast off and get this thing cracking, you know? Come on, man. You know what time it is already, man. So, yo, I'm about to give you going some crazy game like I always do. Want to see you all blast off with the credit. That's what we here for 2025. Blast off with the credit and you won't regret it. You heard? If you don't do it, you're going to look pathetic and you don't regret it. So, yo, today, y'all going to get 2 trade lines for the price of one, right? And on top of that, business checking account, straight like that. Business bank account and 2 credit trade lines, all right? One site, one play, one move, just like that. You know how we do. Straight sauce, fire. So, yo, this is a business credit play for the goons to build their business credit. So you're building up your credit. You got a business, you got an LLC, you're gonna need credit. So what you can do with a brand new LLC, you're gonna go to this website here because you gotta get a business bank account and you need trade lines, okay? And so you're gonna get a business credit score. You need to have an EIN, okay? Make sure all your paperwork is right. Once all your paperwork is legit, then you're gonna get that EIN. Once you got that EIN, you can start applying for this credit, all right? You're gonna go to the site nav.com, all right? The site is nav.com, NAV.com, all right? Now, over here at Nav, we're gonna navigate, all right? We're gonna navigate the world of business credit, and here's what's gonna go down. You're gonna get a business checking account for free, all right? Free for you guys, don't gotta pay nothing, okay? You can put $1 in this freaking account and let it sit, and it's all good. So you need that business bank account, fresh EIN, bet. Now you can do that with NAV, all right? And so they're gonna send you a business banking debit card and all that in the mail, and you can use it anywhere, all 50 states. It's all to the good, all right? Bet. So now, NAV, they also have an app. You're going to get the app. You're going to download the app, and it keeps track of all your business finances, your business credit, your business credit scores, and it's going to report 2 trade lines. You're going to get a credit trade line, all right? It works like a charge card, all right? And it's got like net 1 terms, okay? Like basically, you got to, whatever you charge up, you got to pay it back the very next day, all right? So the next day is going to give you like net 1 terms. But then after you use it for like a few months, 2 months, 3 months, then it's going to give you like net 2 terms, okay? And then after that, it's going to give you like net 3 terms, okay? Basically, you got to pay the stuff back in a day, then 2 days, then 3 days, pretty much, all right? So the more you responsible, they'll push it out a couple days more to where you got to pay back the money. But you're just using this to build credit. It's a credit building card. Now, the trade line amount, it starts off small at first, but it grows exponentially fast, okay? So I just used it, linked my bank account. What you do is, here's the method. Link your bank account that you're gonna use to fund. And what you can do, you can just use your personal bank account if you wish to, all right? Link that because you already got money coming in and out. If you got a regular job, I just link my regular job, the bank account with that, because it has direct deposit. So every Friday, you know, I'm getting a paycheck. So basically, it keeps track of that and it adds to the pot. Okay, it looks like it's my business bank account. So it looks like my business is doing better than it is, okay? Because it has money coming in every Friday, guaranteed, straight like that. So that's one play you can do. And then it grows the length of the charge card trade line. So just always use that charge card and it's gonna take the money from your account, all right? The very next day, you know, the net 1 terms, net 2, net 3 terms, and then it grows the trade line larger. So within 1 month, my trade line will grow from like, you know, $150 to 20,000. Okay, so it'll report a trade line at the end of the month, whatever it grows up to. So it can grow up to like, I'm not sure how high it can grow, but I've seen it grow from like $150 to 20,000, 25,000. I think is the highest I've seen it grow to. So I was using them over every day. Okay, in 1 month, and it's gonna report that to business credit bureaus. So it reports to Experian business, and it reports to Equifax business, and it reports to Dun & Bradstreet. Okay, you need that. Growers need that so they can start getting approved for business credit. And it also is a credit monitoring service. Okay, so that's the charge card, NAV charge card, and that's free. That costs you nothing. Now they have a paid service. It costs $50 a month. That's NAV Prime. And what the NAV Prime is, it's a utility trade line. $50 a month, and it reports that trade line to the same credit bureaus. All right, the same three. It just reports that every month that you pay on a utility trade line. Something you use, and basically it's just a credit monitoring service. So you pay for that NAV Prime, and it reports that every month that you made a payment on the utility. So now you got two trade lines. Okay, one is a revolving credit charge card, and the other one is a utility trade line. Bet straight like that. You can't lose with that, my girl. You need that. Build that business credit up real fast. So this is a good one to start with. This is the first trade line I started with, building up my business credit, and you get a free business bank account. And you need multiple business bank accounts, I recommend. So this is a free one. Like I said, I put $1 in the shit and just let it sit. I think I put more than that. I think I put like 20. First I started with $1 though, but then a few months later I put like $20. But like I said, this is 3 products you're gonna get basically for $50. Now you can always cancel the utility trade line. Okay, once it's reporting for a couple of months, 2 months, 3 months, if you wish to, you can cancel it. All right, and it'll just already have reported. You just want to report stuff so it'll make a score. So if you don't want to pay the 50 no more, all right, bet you don't got to, but you still keep the charge card, the NAV charge card. You still keep that, and it has tap to pay. I just use a tap to pay, but they do send you a physical card as well. All right, it's a Visa, and they have other varieties of services with the NAV. What's good about this NAV Prime is that they'll show you like how all your business, what it can what can it receive in funding. So it'll show you all kind of different resources. It'll show you like, okay, you got X amount of borrowing power, so you can probably get a gas card here, and it'll show you all the gas cards, and it'll show you like different loan options, different places that give loans, different resources. So you can just go to all the different resources, all the different business bank accounts you can open up. They'll show you all the resources. So a lot of net 30 vendors to help you get trade lines. They'll show you where all those are at. And tier 1, they'll show you where all this tier 1 stuff is at, so you can get your stuff moving and grooving in the right direction. And then once you've got stuff reporting, after a few months, you can start qualifying for tier 2 of the net 30 vendors, like gas cards. Gas cards is on tier 2, and like store cards like Office Depot and Home Depot and Lowe's and Staples, stuff like that, and all the variety of gas cards, all that is tier 2. So you're probably not going to get that at first. You got to build up to that. All right, there's levels to this. You're not going to get no credit cards neither, business credit cards. That's like level 4. You got to build up to stuff like that. And this is with no PG, no personal guarantee. So you want to get this stuff with no PG, and you got to build it up, your EIN. But you could get business credit cards off rip with a brand new LLC if you got a high credit score and you want a PG. But we're not going to talk about doing it like that. Some people do it that way, some people don't. But if you just want your business to stand alone on its own 2 feet, credit wise, you want your business to get credit worthy on its own 2 feet. That way you can have bad personal credit and it don't matter. It just matters that your business has good credit. All right, and it's going to show your business credit build up. Now, for your Dun & Bradstreet, for you to start having that report and give you a DUNS number and a Dun & Bradstreet paydex score, you need 3 trade experiences. All right, so you're getting 2 over here, so you need another trade line to get a 3rd trade experience, and that's what's going to get you a DUNS number and get you a paydex score. Your paydex goes up to 100, so you can start getting credit at 80. But like I said, you need 3 trade experiences. So just this one site right here will give you 2 trade lines. That's 2 trade experiences already, you know? So you probably want to add at least like 5 business credit trade lines to start getting it in motion. But the more you add, the better. And the more you add, it's going to cost more. So the more you spend, the better the results are. Just like anything in life, you spend more money, chances are you're going to get better results. But if you want to go to cheap goon route method for the lowest amount and get the most bang for your buck, just start here. $50. That's all it takes. And I'll give you, another method with this, a little secret method, a little secret gem to add another trade line. Is what you can do is cancel. You have to cancel the $50 plan you got. All right, just pay on it for like 1 month, 2 months. Let it report. Cancel that. But use your own personal email when you open up the account. All right, and use your own personal bank account when you open up the account. All right. Now, the secret hack to get another trade line after you've canceled that one, you can use your business email and use another business bank account and open up a new Nav Prime account with that. Okay, you follow that? Use your new business email and use a new business checking account, completely different information, and make a new Nav account for $50, but not the $50 account. Now you got to upgrade and get the $60 one. They have a $60 account. All right, and it reports SB, the Small Business Association. It adds that to the mix. All right, but that's $10 more. So you have to do that. That's the play if you want to add the extra Nav trade line. All right, and so you have to close the first one, the $50 plan, with your personal information, and then open up a second one, but only using your business information, and upgrade the account to the $60 plan, and you can get another trade line. All right, so that's a little method you can use to actually get 3 Nav trade lines. You heard? So give you a little extra sauce right there with that. But Nav, pull up to Nav, and that's how you're gonna get business credit trade line, 2 trade lines at the least, the possible 3rd. All right, and a free business checking account. So, I've been using it Nav about like 5 months, 6 months, about 5-6 months review, man, and it works. It works good. It reports and all that. You need that. So easy trade line for the goons to get. All right, 2 trade lines for the price of 1, straight like that, and a free business checking account. Now I'm giving you crazy gems, man. Mash that like and subscribe button right now, because you blasting off with this. We're gonna blast off together. You heard? And so, you found the value in this video? You know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, comment. We'll keep blasting off with the crazy powerful credit game for the goons. You know what to do. And if you want some exclusive sauce for your personal credit, you want to get trade lines, AU trade lines for the low, you can get trade lines as low as $50. Crazy lines, ridiculous lines, $100 even, ridiculous lines that you would pay $400, $500, $600 for. I got a plug for that. So just hit me up for that. If you want, learn how to do credit sweep sauce. You want to learn how to build a strong fire profile. It's going to get you guaranteed funding. You hit me up for that. You need methods, money play methods. Hit me up for that. I got all kind of crazy money plays and methods that we can't even talk about on YouTube. Guaranteed fire. I got all kind of fire in the chamber, my guns. Crazy firepower. Tap into my private money group chat. I at 500. Just hit me up on Instagram at Spontaneous Productions, and I'll get you right. Promise. All satisfied clients every time, guaranteed. You heard? Blast off, my goons. Nav.com. Give you some business trade lines, straight like that. Until next time, we out. Peace.